Today we're going to do a walk around of our Texas Pride 20-foot Gooseneck 18,000-pound Lowboy equipment trailer. Now, a Lowboy style trailer simply means that the deck is down in between the wheels for a lower ride height. Our Lowboy equipment trailers are available in lengths from 14 feet all the way up to 30 feet. So, let's start at the front and then work our way to the back. Up front, we have a 4-hole adjustable gooseneck coupler that allows you to adjust the coupler height of your trailer to your truck evenly to ensure your trailer is level while going down the road. Behind the coupler, we have a heavy 8-inch channel tongue with gusset reinforcements for maximum strength and stability. Every Texas Pride trailer features all required DOT safety equipment, such as heavy-duty safety chains, emergency breakaway switch with long-lasting battery, and more reflective tape than you will find on most other trailers. This trailer also comes standard with a 7-way electrical plug, and all the wiring on this trailer is modular and sealed to ensure years of trouble-free use. At the back of the neck, there are dual 12,000-pound heavy-duty drop leg jacks with spring return. Almost all Texas Pride gooseneck trailers feature dual jacks for more stability and lifting power to make it easier for connecting and disconnecting your trailer from your vehicle. Walking around to the side of the trailer, let's start with the main frame of the trailer, which is heavy 8-inch channel iron. The cross members are 3-inch channel iron on 16-inch centers under the deck. Some other trailers this size use angle iron for the cross members and put them on wider spacing, but we feel there should be plenty of support for varying loads. The decking on this trailer is pressure-treated lumber and is fully screwed down to the frame. There is also an option for an upgrade to diamond plate flooring as well. The inside measurement of the deck in between the fenders is going to be about 80 inches wide. The overall width of this trailer from outside to outside will be 102 inches wide. On the side of the frame, we have stake pockets with the rub rail, which allows you to secure your load from any point on this trailer. And the stake pockets are just the right size that you can insert 2x4 lumber in them to make removable wooden stake sides if you wish. Another nice standard feature on this trailer are the heavy gauge reinforced diamond plate fenders, heavy enough that you can stand on. We also added plated fender steps on the fenders for easier and safer access to the deck. For running gear, you have 2 heavy-duty 9,000-pound 8-lug axles with brakes on all 4 wheels standard. If you get in a slippery situation, you want all the braking power you can get. Now, one highly important standard feature on these axles is the convenient built-in lubrication system. To fill or top off the central grease reservoirs, you simply pop the center cap in the hub and fit a grease gun over the Zerk fitting and fill. Simple and convenient. And where the rubber meets the road is going to be 4 17.5-inch premium radial 16-ply tires mounted on 8-hole high-grade steel wheels for maximum stopping power. There's also an option for a spare tire and wheel which mounts inside of the top of the goosenecks, so it's out of the way yet easily accessible. As we walk to the back of this trailer, we come to the Dovetail. The 2-foot Dovetail is heavy-gauge diamond plate steel, also with traction bars. This provides a more gradual incline with better grip for safer loading and unloading of equipment. 5-foot heavy-duty steel ramps are included in this model, and you have the option of your choice of slide-in ramps that stow underneath or stand-up ramps with a support bar for heavier equipment. We also offer aluminum ramps as an upgrade, and they are half the weight and have the same strength. The paint and finish on the trailer are nothing less than top-notch. The process starts with a full media blasting to remove any surface rust or scale. Then each trailer is fully primed top to bottom in preparation for the top 2 coats of automotive-grade acrylic enamel paint, all of which is done in our new state-of-the-art paint facility. This ensures you have a protective, durable, and shiny finish for years to come. The last thing we want to mention is that lifetime LED lighting is standard for all Texas Pride models, and all lighting is either recessed or steel encased to protect them from accidents and the elements. If you have any more questions about this trailer, please feel free to give our friendly staff at Texas Pride a call. We'd like to thank you for taking the time to look at our Texas Pride 18,000-pound Gooseneck Lowboy equipment trailer.